Hello, welcome to Pearson Test of English. Today we are going to learn listening. The listening module will range between 45 and 57 minutes. The first question is summarize spoken text. Here the test format is that you will have 2 to 3 tasks and the skills assessed are listening and writing. There is no negative marking for this question. The test recording length would be around 60 to 90 seconds. The recommended word length is 50 to 70 words. The time allotted for this task is 10 minutes. Let's look at the criteria. The enabling skills are grammar, vocabulary, spelling, content, and form. The communication skills are listening and writing. The scoring is partial credit. The marks allotted are grammar 2 marks, vocabulary 2 marks, spelling 2 marks, content 2 marks, and form 2 marks. That is totally 10 marks. Here is a sample question. For this question are, as soon as the audio begins, you can start taking notes. Look for the main ideas and supporting points. Look for keywords, symbols, or abbreviations to take notes. No connectors needed. The content score is based on the number of ideas elicited. Small sentences carry more marks. Only one typing error may be ignored, but not more. Refer to notes to answer. Only summary, no details. Listen carefully or else writing may be hampered. Pick the tone of the speaker. Pick up cues from the text. Save the last 2 minutes to correct your answer. Here are some of the tips for summarize spoken text. Look at the main ideas. Use punctuation mark. Have cohesive devices and write clearly, which is coherence. Use proper grammatical structures. Your tenses, subject-verb agreement, active voice, passive voice, verb usages, adjective usages, and article usages should all be in place. Let's look at the next question, which is multiple choice, multiple answer. You will have 2 to 3 tasks in this question item. And the skills assessed are listening and writing. Here you have negative marking. There's partial credit. You get 1 mark for every correct response and -1 for every incorrect response. 0 would be the minimum score. You will not get -1, -2, etc. So choose all the suitable options for your question. The tasks are not timed individually from this second question onwards. Here's a sample question. You can see that the keywords are highlighted in yellow to be able to find your answer as to what happened as a result of the arrival of colonists. The strategies for multiple choice, multiple answers are: read the questions first, then listen to the audio. Correlate, trace development of speaker's ideas. Listen to the general flow of ideas. Mark the options you are sure about. Pick up cues from the text. Identify key ideas for the topic and information. Then use details and inferences of the writer. Eliminate the incorrect options. If you change your mind, click on the option to deselect and click on the right options. Here are some of the common problems that a person would face. Vocabulary, pronunciation, structure. Here are some of the tips. Listen for the main idea. Listen to the vowel sounds. Listen for synonyms. and vocabulary. Let's look at the third question in listening, which is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks would have 2 to 3 items. The skills assessed are listening and reading. It is scored as such: 1 mark for every correct response and 0 for every incorrect response. The recording length would be 30 to 90 seconds long. The audio will begin playing after about 7 seconds. Here is a sample question. The strategies for fill up the blanks are: skim the general idea. You could also type directly into the blank. Follow the transcript. Use grammar clues like verbs, nouns, adjectives, etc. Check for context and grammatical accuracy. Check spelling. Write each missing word in your erasable note booklet. Be alert for the next word. Type immediately. When the audio stops, refer to the notes. Read through in the end for meaning. Click next to move on. Common problems are the same, like vocabulary, pronunciation and structure, and grammar. Here are some tips: academic words and synonyms, grammar and spelling, correct words and phrases, following an oral sequencing of information, identifying words and phrases appropriate to the context, practice matching the written form of the word to the sound. Lots of homonyms will be provided. Check for pronunciation, note missing words, and maintain the vocabulary list. The next question is highlight correct summary. You will have 2 to 3 questions in this item, and the skills are listening and reading. There is 1 mark for every correct answer and no marks for incorrect answers. The recording length is 15 to 50 seconds long. 10 seconds will be, there'll be a gap of 10 seconds before the audio begins. Click on the incorrect words. Here's a sample question. Here are some strategies. Listen to the audio, write down notes, identify overall meaning, note important data, suggestions, opinions, and arguments. Do not try to read summaries as you listen. Focus on listening. Ensure notes cover all aspects like introduction, body, conclusion. Select accordingly. Listen for main ideas, supporting ideas, and skim the text. Use keywords, abbreviations, symbols, arrows to make notes. Refer to them for selection. When the audio stops, refer to the notes. Eliminate incorrect options. Select the correct option. Click on the option to deselect and click on the right option. Click on the next button to move on. The common problems are the same. Vocabulary, grammar, structure, and pronunciation. Accent as well. Here are some of the tips. Focus on the keywords in the audio. Identify the topic, the theme, or the main ideas. Look for specific details, facts, or opinions, and look for the speaker's purpose. Mark the keywords in the options. Identify synonyms or closely related words. Enhance the vocabulary. Understand the tone of the passage. Adopt rapid note-taking habit. Take hints from the intonation and word stress. Infer meaning from overall context of unfamiliar words. Let's look at the next question, which is multiple choice. Choose single answer. You will get 2 to 3 items in this question type, and you will have 3 to 4 options which are given. You have to select one suitable option. You have 1 mark for every correct response. The skill assessed is only listening. The recording is of 30 to 60 seconds long. You choose one suitable option. You will have 10 seconds gap before the audio starts playing. The tasks are not timed individually. Here's a sample question. Here are some of the common problems: vocabulary, pronunciation, accent, structure. Here are some of the strategies. Read the question first, then listen to the audio, correlate, trace the developments of the speaker's ideas, listen to the general flow of ideas, mark the option you are sure of, infer meaning, understand the implications, identify the keywords for topic and information, recognize the core information, take cues from the audio, eliminate the incorrect options. If you change your mind, click on the option to deselect and click on the right task. Let's look at the tips for this question. Look at the main ideas, listen to the correct accent, look for synonyms and vocabulary. The next question is select missing words. You will have 2 to 3 question items here, and you'll have 3 to 4 options given. The skill assessed is only listening. Every correct answer gets 1 mark. Choose one suitable option. The recording length is 20 to 70 seconds long, and the audio will begin after 7 seconds. Here's a sample question. Let's look at the strategies. You will have a 7-second pause before the audio starts playing. Skim through the options once the audio begins. Listen to the audio carefully. Focus on overall ideas. Watch on-screen progress indicator. This will help you to identify the end of the sentences. Guess the best option. The last part of the sentence is beeped. Identify specific words and phrases. Identify the topic, theme, or main ideas. Do not take notes. Listen for the tenses, prepositions in the audio. Listen carefully to the last few words which are spoken. Click on the option to deselect, then click again on the right option. Some of the common problems are vocabulary, how to fill in the gap. Here are some tips. Listen for vowel sounds, look for main ideas, listen for synonyms and vocabulary. Let's look at the next question, which is highlight incorrect word. You will have 2 to 3 tasks here, and the skills assessed are listening and reading. There's partial credit and negative marking, 1 mark for each correct word and -1 for every wrong answer. The recording length is 15 to 50 seconds long. There will be a 10-second pause before the audio begins. Click on all the incorrect words. Here is a sample question. All the highlighted words are the incorrect words which you are supposed to identify and highlight. Let's look at some strategies. The strategies are to listen and read simultaneously. You will have 10 seconds pause before the audio plays. Identify corresponding words in the script. Click on the different sounding words. Scan the transcription for capital letters as sentences begin with capital letters. Up to 7 deliberate errors would be there. Click on these errors. Match up to the speed of the recording. Move your cursor along with the audio. In case you miss words, move the cursor immediately to the current word. Mark answers only if you're sure. Negative marks are allocated for wrong answers. Here are some of the common problems: vocabulary, chunking, structure, and grammar. Let's look at some of the tips. Be focused, follow the transcription, train your ears to listen to different accents, follow and focus on the vowel sounds to identify the words. Read and mark unusual words in the transcript. Focus on homonyms. Practice pronunciation. Practice reading a text under timed conditions. Practice stress, intonation, and rhythm. Listen to podcasts. Highlight unusual words and phrases and listen to them repeatedly. The last question in the listening module is write from dictation. Here you will have 3 to 4 items and 60 to 90 seconds long lectures. You will have 1 mark each for every correctly spelled word. The recording length would be 3 to 5 seconds. The communicative skills are listening and writing. Here's a sample question. You will listen to a sentence being dictated, and in the box you will have to write the sentence that you heard in the correct word order. Here are the instructions. The audio starts after 7 seconds. Place the cursor on the text box. Type the sentence as fast as you can. A slight pause at times. No numerals would be allowed in the sentence. Punctuation is very important. Watch the on-screen progress indicator. Start with a capital letter, end with a full stop. Contractions to be typed as dictated. If punctuation is incorrect, the word before the punctuation is considered incorrect. Note or type the content and the words. Capitalization rules should be applied. Spellings must be correct. Words must be in the correct word order. Focus on comprehending the meaning of the sentence. Here are some of the common problems: inability to follow accents, difficulty in remembering words, inability to follow the word order, spelling, grammar, and punctuation errors. Here are some of the tips and techniques for write from dictation. Follow oral sequencing of information, differentiate between homonyms, identify different memory techniques, practice speed typing, identify nouns, adjectives, adverbs, and verbs, practice proper sentence framing, grammatical structures, and pronunciation and punctuation. Use what works best for you. Write the maximum words which you remember. With this, we come to the end of the listening module in PTE, that is Pearson Test of English. Thank you and happy learning.